If you want to know how to change Google account name. After watch this video you able to change your Gmail name. So how can do it? Tap on phone setting. Tap on Google. Tap on manage your Google account. Tap on personal information. Tap on name. Tap on name. Change your name. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.